Here we have done with the fire detection and smoke detection, these two module with the live implementation, and it has connected with the your Android application as well as website. Okay, so for connecting the Android application with machine learning part and website, I have deployed the particular website into this server. Okay, so this is the server account which I have. So I have deployed your application, web application, into this server. Okay, so that's why we can access the database on cloud, right? We can access it from Android anywhere, and this will be how connected. Okay, so this is the website which we have hosted. Okay, so here you have option to manage the users, admin users, security guards. Okay, alert, you can also see the alert logs. Alert, in the alert logs you can see camera type, whether CCTV or drone or etc. Description, okay, what is the description, timestamp, and the type of detection key, whether it is fire, smoke, etc. Okay, and we have given the provision, right, key security guard. So now I have added the provision key, whatever account you will create here. Okay, whatever user ID and password you will create here, you can able to access the same credential in Android application. Okay, so I have connected the everything with the same database and same with the help of APIs, so you can access it directly. Okay, so I will share you this link. Okay, so you can directly access and show it to your panel. Okay, and I will also share the code so that you can also share it in localhost. But in localhost, you won't be able to connect your Android application and machine learning part, because we need something to be hosted to access it. Okay, so this is the web application part. Okay, so I have created one account in the security guard. So now let's go to the Android part. Okay, so in the Android part, there's the login page. Okay, here you have to type the password, whatever password and username you have created for security guard. Okay, and you have to click login. Once you click login, it will show you the home page, right? So this is the home page. So in the home page, we have given two options: today's alert and all alert. Okay. So in the today alert, you will be able to see all the alert which is raised today. Okay, by drone or anything, CCTV or anything. Okay, and will show this particular UI. Okay, so I will check why this error is popping up. Okay, I'll resolve it. Okay, so that will be a network issue. Okay, so here you will be able to see if alert detected, then what was the type of alert, timestamp, address, latitude, longitude. Once we connect with the drone, we'll get latitude, longitude, right? As you said, you can access, right? So this way we have done with this Android application part. Okay, so now let's move to machine learning part. So see, to run the machine learning part, you need to go inside your project folder. Suppose this is my project folder. Here you have to open CMD. I believe you aware of all this as you have the basic idea of Python, right? So you just need to open CMD to your project location, and here you have to type command python main.py. Okay, and also this Android application, this is automatically load the a new alert. Okay, so as you can see, there is some error is popping up. Okay, because it is continuously hitting the API, and this server is not allowed to hit the API this number of times. Okay, that's why. But yeah, we'll do something, we'll add some delay so that it should not throw such error. Okay, so yeah, it will automatically refresh this data. You no need to refresh it. Okay, manually. Okay, once the alert identified, it will just update this. Okay, so what I was saying, to run the project, you just need to go to your project folder and open the CMD and type this command. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, for my case, I have to type 310 as I have configured like that. Okay, so after running this command, you will get this interface. Here you can upload whether video, image, or webcam. You can access with these all three part as you want to implement for live, right? So I have added camera provision, image and video provision as well. But yeah, mainly useful will be camera, right, for you. So you just need to click a camera button, and it will just take some time, and it will load the models and everything, and it will give the uh, window. So as you can see, it is giving the window, and as of now nothing is there. Okay, so now uh, let me switch off the fan and just bring some fire, right? Let me uh, use matches. And so as you can see, just a second, you can use lighter or something. Okay, I don't have right now. So as you can see, once you show the fire, it will start detecting. You need to see there is a background light, so that's why it is not detecting properly. Okay, and my camera is not that good, so that's why you need to uh, purchase a good camera, or which have a good camera laptop. Okay, so but instead of this, let me show from the mobile phone. Okay, you can use lighter. Lighter will be perfect. Okay, because matches have some less fire, right? But yeah, it will detect. And let me show some fire images from mobile. Give me a minute. Okay. Yeah, I have found some images, so yeah, I can show it like that. So as you can see, it started detecting. So it is detecting, and it will continuously detect the fire. If it continuously detect the fire for at least 2 minutes, then it will uh, insert the alert log into server. Okay, into this website. Okay, if you go to now website and go to alert log, so initially it was just three logs was there, right? But a new log is appeared, right? So new log is got appeared. Okay, similarly if you go to android application, see initially smoke was on top, right? So now it is fire is on top. Okay, so this way we have done the interconnection and implementation. Okay, and yeah, we have added a delay, we have added a validation key. If fire or some any violence detected for 2 seconds, then only it will insert the log. Okay, alert log, otherwise not, because sometime may it detect, or if we added a provision to just detect and insert the log, then auto continuously it will insert the logs. Okay, so that won't be perfect, right? So this way we have done. Okay, so the mainly concept is we have used is mainly concept is let me tell you the main concept key what we have used. Okay, I'm just explaining everything in this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, I'll share you code and everything. Okay, just a second. Let me explain you with the diagram. Okay, so what basically we have done, we have mainly used the power of APIs. Okay, what is API? API is nothing but which help to connect two different platforms. Just like we have Android application, right? We have machine learning platform, and we have website, right? So everything is different application. But okay, but how we are connected with the everything is connected with the database, right? So everything is connected with the database. So to make it connect, we need to create APIs. Okay, so basically we have used Flask to implement the website. We have used Flask, and inside the Flask we have created the APIs. Okay, APIs means what? See, for the algorithm part I have given you previous video, right? Ki how we have trained the algorithm and how to train the algorithm, so you can refer that. Okay, so for this UI part, see, for UI part we have used this page builder. I will give you one more video for the YOLO algorithm. There I have explained you from the very basic key what is pixel and what is image. Everything is I have explained you there. That is my recorded video. So I will provide that. Okay. So it is loading up. Just a second. So to implement the UI, the UI where you can see the image option, video option, right? Image selection. So that is we have done with the help of this tool, which is basically page builder tool. So this is the drag and drop tool where you can select a widget and you can paste the widget into the screen. Okay, and you can create the UI, Python UI. Okay, user interface dynamically. Okay, you no need to write code from scratch, you can directly use this. Okay, once the UI completed, we can generate Python code too. Okay, there is an option generate Python. So if you go to generate Python and say click to generate Python UI, it will ask to save the file, and then it will give the code. Okay, see here we have got the code. Okay, so if you see in the main file is our main starting file. So in the main file you can see the similar code. So we have generated a code from this only, okay, and we have created three different function: image, video, and camera. Okay, there we are calling a file. We have created a file YOLO camera. There is a button, there is a function detect from camera. Okay, so we are calling this. Okay, so what this function is doing and this file is doing, we have first importing the libraries. Okay, all the required libraries. We are then loading the model which we have trained with the data set. Okay, and we have created a send alert email message. There we are calling the API, the server API. If you see configure domain, so in the configure domain we have given our domain, and we have calling this API which we have created. I will tell you how we have created, and there we are uploading the data, whatever data we have, right? Whatever detection is happened that, and we'll just call the API, and API will save the data. Okay, and in the this function, what we are doing, we are opening a video camera like camera, and it will just read frame by frame from the camera, and YOLO detector will make the prediction on the given image. Okay, and then we are validating key where the particular uh, violence is happening for 2 second or not. If it is 2 second, then sending the alert, otherwise not. Okay, this way we are processing this. Okay, and we are also, if you click S button as S key, it will save the data into this data set. Okay, so this way we have done this machine learning thing. Okay, and for the web part, if you go to the web section, okay, is the web part. Let me open this web into the VS Code. Okay, copy this path and just go to VS Code and go to open file and then open folder and select it. Okay, so as you can see in this particular folder, there is a app.py, which is the main file, which is the basically kind of, you can say a, it's a kind of controller for the our website. Okay, so in this you can see we have importing some libraries like Flask, SQL Alchemy is the basically database library. Flask admin, we are using Flask admin to do the CRUD operation. Okay, date, time, everything we are importing, and we are configuring some our database and some keys for the Flask. Okay, we are importing the login manager. Okay, and we are creating some classes as we have admin user. So this will be our database table. Okay, and your respective columns. Okay, security guard, alert log. Okay, like that. Okay, and then we have created our base view. Base view is nothing but key how many entries we need to show, whether the user can export data or view data, like that. Okay, and this is the authentication view key where we are authentication key particular link is accessible or not. If you able to, if you are logged in, then only able to access, otherwise not. That is the thing, this one. Okay, and this is the admin view. Okay, this security view. Okay, we have used admin, Flask admin, you can do research, you will get it. Okay, so this is the alert log. Okay, and this is the admin index view. Okay, and everything we are connecting here. Okay, and there's a login section key where we are showing the login page, and we are filtering based on username, password. Okay, and log out and guard login, like we are calling this API from Android with the email and ID and password. Okay, this is the API. Okay, so this way we have created the application. Okay, the website. Okay, and we have hosted our website on the Python Anywhere. Python Anywhere. If I go to Python Anywhere, this is not updated app.py. Updated app.py is available on pythonanywhere.com. Okay, let me open that. So this is the app.py which I have stored. Just go do some research ki how we can host the application on Python Anywhere. You will get it. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so here is the same. Okay, so if you go down, okay, let me copy the complete code and paste into here. Okay. We have added more APIs. Okay, so see, these are the some extra APIs available. So see, this is the guard login for Android. Okay, we are calling from Android, and this is the alert log, which is basically this in Android application. You can see the list of log, right, in the today's log. So this is the API which what it is doing. It is just getting all the data from database and just creating a hash map and displaying and returning as a response. Okay, this is a log alert, which is basically this API we are calling from machine learning part. Once the alert detected for 2 seconds, then we are calling this API from here. See, this is the root, this is the API we have created, and what we are doing, we are accepting this data and we are saving it to database. This way we do the operation and connect everything. Okay, and yeah, this way we have done with this Python part, website part. And for the Android also, I'll share you one video for the configuration and what is activity and everything there. Okay, so you can refer that. Okay, and you can ask me if you have any question and everything. No, you can ask me. So yeah, this is about your project. Okay, and interconnection of your project. Okay, do let me know anything else. Okay.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.